You have to go like that. Konti lang ganda. Not too much. And then spread it. Spread ganda. This. This is plenty. With you shortly. Just 2 pieces. Wow, ganda. Ganda, ganda, ganda. Okay. Tatlong orders ng pork belly adobo made by Chilling. Tawagin mo na lang.
Hello mga karolings, happy Friday. Ayan guys, nasira yung ating deep fryer kanina. Meron daw leak, sabi ng aking asawa. So nagawa naman natin ng paraan at nakabili tayo nitong maliit na deep fryer. Kesa naman guys, mag-shutdown tayo. Sayang naman yung mga luto nating ulam. And ayan na nga mga karolings, maganda naman yung pagkakaprito ng ating lumpia. Kaya isa sa natutunan ko mga karolings, kailangan meron tayong backup palagi sa ating food truck. So ayan mga karolings, sana may natutunan tayo dito sa video na to.
So ayan mga karolings, yung next order natin is 5 orders ng lumpia. So ayan guys. Frank, sir?
No, I'm taking it home. My family loves it.
Oh.
I drove by and I saw your truck and I turned around and came back.
How many? Counting? Bakit ka na-smile? Are you counting? How many you're putting there? Okay, bilangin mo girl. Lumpia girl. Guys, eto yung pagka malaki yung pangangailangan, ayan, ganyan guys. Malaki ang pangangailangan ni Lumpia Girl. Hindi na, okay na yan. 30 na yan. Hindi ka na. So, ayan guys, ready na tayo. Hey mga karolings, happy Saturday. So, ayan guys, ready na yung ating frozen pork lumpia and chicken lumpia for pick up. So, we have total 30 orders ng frozen pork lumpia and 3 orders of chicken lumpia. And syempre guys, may kasama yung sauce. Sa mga nagtatanong, meron ng kasama yung mga sauce guys. So, ayan guys, enjoy! Sa mga gustong mag-order, pwede pa rin kayo mag-order.
Lumpia. Love it, love it, love it.
So, you got 2.
Two, yes.
Bag mo. Are you gonna like cook it for breakfast?
No, I'm gonna most of it tonight. I'm gonna most of it tonight.
Yeah. Taga-Wilmington kayo?
Sa Jackson din.
Sa Jacksonville.
Sa may Leesburg, malapit lang dito sa may Pineville. Pero galing ako sa California. Sa Motivator, naka-station sa California.
Anak niyo po. Okay. You guys want coffee or boba? We have coffee and boba. Guys, we need coffee tsaka boba sa loob. How about some boba? Coffee and boba.
Can I catch up?
It's a little colder by.
Coffee would have been
Perfect.
perfect.
Just one. I'm Miss Deborah. One for Miss Deborah. Thank you, sweetheart. I'm so sorry for you.
Finale present mga karolings? Oh my God! Oh my God! Open? Open? Open, Johnny. Open, Johnny! Open, count! Count it!
Surrender ni Johnny!
Ayan guys, Merry Christmas! Open!
Oh my God! Ayan, may pambingo na! May pambingo na!
Kai? Did you get yours, Chili? Thank you. Jacob? Kai? Siren?
Pambingo! Mom, I'm here for Jay and I!
Oh my God.
May pambingo na!
Okay guys, ito ang finale present.